The Sureclad system has been designed and developed by Shackley Holdings Group Limited to enable ceramic granite ventilated facades to be installed on new and refurbished buildings. This type of cladding provides excellent protection from the elements, delivers valuable thermal and acoustic insulation benefits, and offers architects and their clients an unrivaled range of aesthetic design options. We are now going to show how to install a Sureclad ventilated facade using the Access system. This type of facade can be installed onto brickwork, concrete blocks, slab walls, cold rolled studding and suitable composite panels. The first step in the installation is to create a plumb line at one end of the elevation. Using this vertical line as your guide, secure the first Sureclad helping hand bracket to the building, using appropriate anchor fixings to suit the background. Position all the remaining brackets along the plumb line at an appropriate distance, in accordance with the specification. The size of the helping hand bracket required will be determined by factors such as the required depth of cavity behind the facade, the amount of thermal insulation to be fitted, the planarity of the outer surface of the building, and aesthetic design considerations. Create a second plumb line at the opposite end of the elevation and repeat the bracketing process. Then fix all subsequent brackets across the elevation as detailed in the specification. In this example, they are at 600 mm centres. At this point, a layer of insulation can be introduced to maximise the thermal efficiency of the facade system and enhance the U values of the building. The helping hand brackets are designed to hold the vertical T-sections in place. These sections are usually cut to span a single-storey height, typically 3 metres. Engage the first set of T-sections at one end of the elevation and adjust the position until perfect vertical alignment is achieved. Then engage the T-sections at the other end of the elevation and adjust and align as before. According to the specification, the brackets which hold each vertical T-section in place will be either floating, riveted using the flexible fixing points, or rigidly secured using the fixed points. Once both the extreme T-sections are secured, continue to position all the intermediate sections, ensuring alignment and facial planarity of the facade. When this stage is complete, the horizontal rails can be installed. In this installation, the Sureclad carrier system is being set out from the base of the elevation and the facade panels are being installed in the same way. Particular care should be taken when positioning the first horizontal rail and marking out the height of the next rail above. It is clearly desirable to conceal the bottom BX rail from view behind the ceramic granite, and in order to achieve this, the bottom course of facade panels can have a special detail. Mark a datum line across the elevation against which the first horizontal rail is to be positioned. Then fix the rail to the vertical T-section using rivets at the top and bottom of the intersections in accordance with the specification. Carefully position the next rail at the height required to accommodate bottom course panels. The base of the elevation is not the only area where bottom course panels might be needed, and where horizontal rails may therefore require non-standard spacing. These specially designated panels are also used over doors and windows and where movement joints occur in the design scheme. The remaining rails are set out for intermediate rails and accordingly are fixed slightly further apart.